Hi, I'm Andrew from Tastemade Travel, and I'm tasting edible Jamaican fruit in Portland Parish, Ennises Bay Beach in Jamaica. These are some of my favorites. What are these?
Oh, that's a plum.
It's a plum, very sweet. And it looks, the flesh looks like a mango almost.
Yeah.
But it's not as sweet as a mango.
Right. And that color yellow is when it's ripe.
Right, because they'll be green.
Yeah, can even green colored skin as well.
Right.
And they're really juicy.
They're very juicy. I really like this.
And it doesn't have a lot of like meat on the seed, but
almost like a grape would. And I like eating the skin. The skin is solid, but the fruit is still fleshy. Different than June plum. But I would say it must be a similar species because it has a slightly similar flavor. This one's good. I want to eat more of them, but I only brought 2. Sorry, Mom. I should have brought more to share. But we have more at the house. Next up, quinep. In Spanish-speaking Caribbean countries, they call this quinepa. And eat the skin. So you crack it with your teeth. It's got a fleshy inside. And you kind of just suck it like almost like a candy.
Yeah.
Because the flesh is very close to the seed. It hugs the seed tightly. But only when it's really ripe will the flesh release from the seed. So you kind of have to make sure they're ripe when you get them. So you peel that off. It's like a nice little lollipop. And then you can suck the flesh off the seed. I like this one, but it's a lot of work for only a little bit of reward. Okay, we brought this one down here. It's already been prepared and cut. This is jackfruit. Right, so the actual fully grown jackfruit is so big, I wouldn't bring it down here with me. It's too big to carry. It can be up to 40 or 50 pounds, right? So these pieces that you so graciously seeded for me and chopped up, I'm going to take these portions and just taste them. And I haven't had a lot of jackfruit in life, but I would say it's similar to, this will sound odd, but a cross between a mushroom and a melon. It has the texture of a mushroom. It has the mild sweetness of a melon. And it has a little bit of that chewiness too. In the vegan food culture, people cook jackfruit and they use it as a meat substitute. But you can eat it like this. And this also came off of land that we are on, right?
And you can actually cook the seed with jackfruit.
And you can cook the seed. You can boil it. And a YouTuber showed us that it's similar to potato starch. I like this more than melon. I usually don't like very mildly sweet, but I think because this is not as watery, I enjoy it. And then, of course, we have mango. I have several mangoes. So this one is from the tree in the yard. It's a Julie mango, right? So I'm just gonna peeling with my fingers, and I'll take a generous bite from the mango. That is amazing. Just one big bite, and the seed is surrounded by all this fleshy, sweet, kind of like dripping nectar fruit. This mango I found on the way to Blue Lagoon. It was just on the ground.
That's a common mango.
It's a common mango.
Yeah, it has a different shape. And the common mangoes are smaller.
So you can see the flesh is stringy. Let's take one bite. This is more tart, not as sweet. The color is really nice, but it's quite stringy. It gets stuck in your teeth. I'm Andrew with Tastemade Travel, and I ate edible Jamaican fruits at Ennises Bay Beach in Portland Parish because taste made me do it.